What's going on, guys? Joe G here. Thank you for stopping by my channel. We're back with another demo vid. Tonight we're going to be taking a look at Cherry Bomber. It's got 10 shots from Winda Fireworks. And it is a 200-gram cake, but it does have some weight to it, guys. You hear that thump there? Let's take a look at the performance. Pigeon blood, red dahlias with white strobes and crackles. And guys, I'd actually bought this for New Year's this past year, but I didn't forget I had it. I'd never shot it. So we're finally gonna go check this out, light it up. All right, guys, here we go.